Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove members of your workspaces on Slack from your workspace really quickly. For example, as an owner of the given workspace or as an admin really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. Head over to Slack, log into your account and select your workspace in the top left corner. And then the next step, click on your workspace name here at the top of that left panel and hover your mouse over Tools and Settings. And here to the right, select Workspace Settings. That is going to open up your admin settings in a new tab. In the next step, make sure that you click on Manage Members and Roles here. That is going to redirect you to these settings and your member management system. So simply pick the member you would like to remove and select or click on these three dots here. And if the given user is neither a workspace admin nor the workspace owner, you'll be given the opportunity to remove the given member as a regular member or guest, for example, from your workspace by selecting remove. However, that option is not available for this user because it is a workspace admin. Keep that in mind, guys. So that's how it works. I hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.